F-35 Lightning II. Yan ang panibagong batch ng fighter jet na pangako ng Pentagon chief na si Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth. Kahapon nga lumapag yan sa Clark Air Base. Alinsunod din kasi yan sa utos ni President Donald Trump na dagdagan pa ang deployment ng air assets sa ating bansa. Pangako at napagkasunduan yan sa White House ni PBBM at ni President Trump. Agad namang nagsagawa ng flyby patrol ang F-35 Lightning II. Hindi alintana ang madilim at sama pa din ng panahon. Sabay-sabay dumagundong ang engine ng fighter jet. Pagigiit ni Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth, hindi naghahamon ng gulo ang US Air Force. Sadyang naghahanda lang sila sa giyera kung nanaisin to ng ating kalabang bansa. Patama yan sa China.
The Asia Pacific is our priority theater. And the United States is committed to achieving peace through strength and willing to work with all nations who share this desire in the region. We do not seek confrontation, but we are and will be ready and resolute. We're proud to support our mutual economic vitality, including your efforts to modernize your armed forces and collective defense.
Alam ng China na sila ang pinapatamaan dito. Kaya ngayon agad niyang binatikos ng Foreign Ministry. Nakikiusap ang China na sana hindi daw sila ang pinapatamaan sa pahayag ng Pentagon. Hindi dapat tinatarget ng dalawang bansa ang iisa lang tulad ng China. Maang-maangan pa ang China kayo naman talaga ang bully dyan sa West Philippine Sea.
Defense Secretary of the United States reaffirmed its commitment to the Philippine security, covering Philippine vessels in the South China Sea, which came under attack, was China's comment.
美国和菲律宾之间
Any cooperation between the U.S. and the Philippines should not target any third party or harm the interests of any third party. Still, should the cooperation instigate confrontation or heighten tensions in the region.
Nawawalan na ng lakas ng loob ang China atakihin ang anumang barko ng Pilipinas. Sa dami ba naman ng fighter jet at naval warship ng US Navy? Gugustuhin pa ba ng China ng manggulo? Tapos may balak pa tong si Secretary Hegseth na mag-deploy ng mas malakas pang missile system sa Pilipinas. Yung missile na kayang targetin kahit saang teritoryo pa ng China. Hindi kagaya ng Typhoon missile na hanggang sa mainland China lang.
We're also deploying new cutting-edge missiles and unmanned systems and revitalizing our defense industrial bases. Our storied alliance has never been stronger or more essential than it is today. And together we remain committed to the Mutual Defense Treaty. And this pact extends to armed attacks on our armed forces, aircraft, or public vessels, including our Coast Guards, anywhere in the Pacific, including the South China Sea.
Mas lalo ngang gumanda ang samahan ng Pilipinas at US dahil yan sa pagbisita ni PBBM. Sana'y magpatuloy pa to. Kayo, nagustuhan nyo ba ang mabilis na deployment ng US Air Force? I-komento sa baba ang saloobin.